going to need your help. So what happened is Sister Johnson, somehow I can't seem to find uppercase letters. Can you guys help me find some uppercase letters? You think you can? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Can someone explain to me what that means? What's an uppercase letter? What's the uppercase letter? What do you think, Sister Talia? An uppercase letter is bigger than a lowercase letter. I love that answer, and that is helpful. Let's look up here at our screen. Detectives, I need your help. Can you find the uppercase letters? Wave your arms from side to side if you see an uppercase letter on the screen. Okay. All right, so 3 students see uppercase letters. Sister Ryan sees uppercase letters. Can you tell me give me one example of an uppercase letter? And when you answer, make sure you answer in a complete sentence. Yeba? Okay, who wants to try? What uppercase letter do you see, Brother Tyler?
Uppercase H.
Yeah, so we see an uppercase H. Now, Sister Johnson, not only do I want you to find the uppercase letters, but as my detectives, I need you to write them too. Yeba? All right, so I'm going to come around with your marker. On your desk, you have your writing mat. Point to your writing mat for me. Point to your writing mat for me. Very good. And now you have your writing utensil. Can you wave your markers up in the air? Let's do a material check, okay? We have our writing utensils. Let's put our writing mats up in the air. Grab your writing mat, put that up in the air. Oh yeah, we have our writing mats too. Very good. So, Brother Tyler told me that he sees an uppercase H. If you see an uppercase H, clap twice. Excellent. What I want you to do, kindergartners, is on your writing mat, please write an uppercase H for me. Green light. And I'm going to come over and take a look. Oh, wow. Good job. Good job. Excellent. All right, so Sister Johnson's going to do something called all aboard. When I say all aboard, I want you to raise your writing mat up in the air so I can see it, and I want you guys to say, choo, choo. Can y'all try that for me? Okay, ready? All aboard. Very good. And Sister Johnson's going to check out those letter H's. Very good. Okay, I have some feedback for you. So Talia, this is perfect. You drew your line down, starting at this top line to that bottom line, and you drew your line across on the dotted line. All right, good job. Good job. Very good, very good. All right, so Talia, I want you to put a check next to your H. Sabir, Ryan, and Tyler, Sister Johnson's going to show you how to write an uppercase H. Yebo? I love your uppercase H's, but what I want you guys to do is really focus on that top line. Can you point to the top line there? That top horizontal line. I want you to stretch your letter, your uppercase letter, from the top line to this bottom line. Yebo? Okay, watch Sister Johnson. So when I draw the letter H, I start here at this top line and bring it. Actually, Sister Johnson's going to get a bigger marker. I'm going to start here, bring it down, straight down, just like that. Check. All right, then I do my second line, straight from the top, down, and bing. Then I go to my middle. Now this dash line there is there to show you where to put your middle line, okay? Yes? All right, so I'm going to go to my dash line and do a line from side to side over to my other line. Does that look good? Excellent. Can you write me an H that looks like this, okay? So I want you to start at this top line, Ryan, and bring it down to that bottom line. Go ahead and give me another uppercase H. Very good, much better. What uppercase letter do you see, Brother Sabir?
L.
Answer in a complete sentence. I see
an uppercase L.
Absolutely. I also see uppercase L. If you see uppercase L, clap twice. All right, now it's time to write it. Can you guys write the uppercase L on your writing mats? Remember, we have lines to guide us, okay? All right, so uppercase letters need to be stretched from that top line to that bottom line. Let me see you write an uppercase L. You okay, Sister Ryan? All right, make sure you start up here at the top. Bring it on down, perfect. Good job. Good job, girlfriend. Good job, sister. Good job, Brother Tyler. Excellent. Easy. You say capitalize.
Capitalize.
Say it again.
Capitalize.
Say it one more time.
Capitalize.
All right, so this is the need to know. This is what we need to know, okay? First, I have a question for you. What do you think capital means? If Sister Johnson says we are going to capitalize, what do you think a capital letter is? What does that mean? Brother Tyler.
It's uppercase.
Oh, Brother Tyler says that a capital letter is an uppercase letter. If you agree with him, bounce your shoulders up and down. Let me see who agrees with you. Okay, we got some shoulders bouncing. Let's take a look. We're going to take a look at the definition. But first, I want you guys to know that every sentence begins with a capital letter. All right? And if we use Brother Tyler's definition, that means that every sentence begins with an uppercase letter. Yay, Bo?
Yes.
All right. So, this is our lesson vocabulary. I have our definition of capital letter, or what it means. Let's see if this Brother Tyler was correct. All right, let's read it together. Green light. An uppercase letter used to begin sentences and names. Was Brother Tyler correct?
Yes.
Yes, he was. He told us that a capital letter was an uppercase letter. All right? And now we know that when we are writing sentences, kindergartners, that first letter in the sentence has to be an uppercase letter. That's why we had to find them this morning. Yay, Bo?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to use those uppercase letters today in order to capitalize our sentences. I have a sentence up here. Can we read this sentence together? Yes? Give me a thumbs up for yes. Okay, let's read this sentence together. What's this first word, kindergarten?
We.
We, very good. Green light. We are in kindergarten. Is this sentence about you?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely, right? We are in kindergarten. Now, take a look at this sentence. Does this sentence begin with an uppercase letter? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. What you think? What you think now, Ryan? Are you sure or are you not sure? Give me a thumb to the side if you're not sure. Okay, someone explain to me how you know, yes, this sentence begins with a capital letter. How do you know, Sister Talia?
Because you see it's not small.
You see that this first letter here is uppercase, all right? Since this sentence starts with an uppercase letter, this sentence is written correctly. This sentence is all good. Yay, Bo?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look at another sentence. All right, we have another sentence here, and our screen looks a little different because we have some things that we need to do. Okay? What's this first letter, kindergarten? The. Let's read this sentence together. Green light. The girls are 5 years old. Wave your arms if you're 5 years old. Okay, so maybe now I want you to spend 1 minute. How long do I want you to spend? 1 minute answering a question for me. Yay, Bo? All right, and you're going to turn to your neighbor. So Ryan's going to turn to Tyler. Talia's going to turn to Sabir. And you're going to tell me, what do you notice about this sentence? Okay? So put your detective glasses on. And I meant for you guys to put these on earlier. We should have had these on earlier. But put your detective glasses on. Take a look at this sentence. Think about what we're learning. Tell me what you notice. Yay, Bo? Okay, if you're ready, wave your arms from side to side. If you're ready to turn and talk to your neighbor, wave your arms. Okay, good. So, you know what question you're answering? You're going to say, Ryan, I noticed. You're going to say, Tyler, I noticed. You're going to say, Talia, I noticed. And you're going to say, Sabir, I noticed. And tell me what you see. Okay, Yay, Bo?
Yes.
All right, ready? Because I'm going to start the timer now. Is it going to start? Yep. All right, I should hear you guys talking to each other. What do you notice about this sentence?
About the sentence that the start of the sentence does not have an uppercase letter.
Okay, what did you say, Brother Sabir?
I I know this sentence is about
Oh,
us.
so there's something that you connect with for the sentence. What do you notice? Tell Brother Sabi.
I know this
Right here. All right, raise your hand. Let's share out what you noticed. What did you turn and talk to your neighbor about? What did you say, Sister Talia?
I told Fabia that I noticed the first letter is a lowercase number
Oh.
and it's not an uppercase.
Absolutely, and that's the perfect answer. Take a look at this first letter in this sentence. Ryan, is this an uppercase formation? Is that an uppercase letter?
No.
No, it's not, right? This letter is lowercase. So what do you guys think about that? Is this sentence running correctly? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no.
It's not correctly. It's not correctly.
Raise your hand if you want to share out so I can call you. We can talk one at a time. Brother Tyler, go ahead. Share out with the class.
If the sentence is not wrote correctly,
Why not? Why isn't that sentence running correctly?
because the T is a lowercase.
Yes, and we have to make sure that it's what? Raise your hand. We have to make sure that that first letter of that first word in the sentence is what? Sister Ryan.
Uppercase.
Yes, we have to make sure that it's uppercase. So, Sister Johnson's going to show you how to fix this sentence. Yay, Bo? Okay? You were excellent detectives, and you noticed that this is a lowercase t. I'm going to rewrite it as an uppercase t. Yay, Bo? Okay, and later on, you're going to do the same thing Sister Johnson is doing up here. So, I'm going to circle my first word, because when we're capitalizing kindergartners, we want to make sure that we pinpoint or locate or find that first word. Then, we want to take a look at the first letter of that word. Yay, Bo? Okay? And if it's in lowercase formation, I'm going to change it to a capital letter or an uppercase letter. Watch, Sister Johnson. So I'm going to bring my uppercase T down like that and draw my line over. And now I'm just going to rewrite all the other letters too. Should I write them in uppercase? Should I write them as capital letters? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. No, right? Those are going to be lowercase letters. So I'm going to rewrite the rest of my word.